Welcome viewers, it's your humble Guy Dawsey coming to you live in yet another empowering video on production of medicated body cream. You will see step-by-step details on how you can achieve wonder-working mixture for treatment of skin disease such as eczema, athlete foot, pimple, ringworm, heat rashes, body rashes, scabies, skin inflammation. Remember to subscribe, that's the only way you can show support, and it will encourage me to do more content like this.
Yeah, we are going to be using e-wax, cetyl, stearic acid, pine oil, phenol, perfume, paraffin oil, color, and water. This is our pot and the gas that we are going to be using for this production of medicated cream. First of all, we are going to be introducing the three most active and essential ingredients for cream making, which is the cetyl, e-wax, and stearic acid. There is no order in which you are going to pour these three items. You can pour any one at any time, but just make sure that the three of them enters into the boiling pot and are boiled together. As you can see on the screen, I am doing the same. Now the three items are in the pot. We now introduce our water. This water is just, you can see a cup, I'm using a cup. It's just the water that you use to boil it. Not necessarily the only water we're going to be using in this production. Are you with me? It's just enough to boil these three items together and form a solution. Boom! Here we go. This boiling will at least last for 5 minutes to get everything evenly boiled. We get a solution. We are now adding our color at this stage. You can see I use tint of color is enough. We stir to quicken the reaction of boiling. About 5 minutes later, this is what we have. The solution is now evenly boiled and dissolved. The color, let me remind you, the color we are using in this production is oil color. So you can see that everything have dissolved and formed a solution. We off the gas and allow it to cool for like 2 minutes. We now pour it into a bucket where we are going to do the mixing properly. This bucket can be bigger than this if the raw materials we are using is big, but because of we are doing a relatively small quantity, we are going to be using this small pot or a bucket. We stir and continue to stir. In cream making, in cream production, stirring is very, very important to avoid lumps. So after stirring, we now start adding water. The water we're going to be adding will be to our discretion. What do I mean by that? You remember, or you know, or I'm telling you that the difference between cream and lotion is the quantity of water that is in the formulation. Cream, as the name signifies, is thick or more thick compared to lotion. Are you with me? Lotion is watery a bit, while cream is supposed to be thick. So the amount of water you introduce to the formulation will make it cream, and when you want more water, you are turning it gradually into lotion. But for the purpose of this video, I am making a cream because I'm going to be pouring it into a container, a cup-like container. So if it is watery like lotion, when you turn it upside down, it will pour away. But if it is cream, when you turn it upside down, it will stick in the container. So now, after turning, mixing, we are going to allow it for like 1 hour. Like in this video, we are now in the after 1 hour, it has thickened. You understand me? It has thickened after 1 hour. So I think it is time to start introducing our antiseptic ingredients. So now we introduce the phenol. We are introducing the paraffin oil. We are introducing the pine oil, and we are introducing the perfume. Just a little bit perfume. Then we stir. We continue to stir and stir and stir. Continue to stir. You will find out that this thickened cream will become watery because of these ingredients that we have put in place. It will become watery. So we need to allow it for like 24 hours. When we come back 24 hours, you will find out that the cream will come back to its solid form, semi-solid form. It will be thick again. This type of cream that we are making will be able to combat skin reactions, skin rashes, eczema, pimple, ringworm, dandruff, body scratching, boils, stretch mark, skin inflammatory, and skin rashes. No matter the type of skin rashes you have, it will clear it off in 3 days. This is a secret formula that I'm giving you. This is my secret formula. I have been in this business for 15 years. This is what I dish out to people that cures their skin infections, and they come back for more. They introduce it to other people. They speak of the testimony, the miraculous work of this cream. So here I'm giving you this secret formula now for you to empower you to do the same, and money will never dry in your pocket again. Now we are pouring it into containers and ready for sale. We are now into the packaging. We are finished producing the cream. We are now doing packaging. We'll first of all pour the cream into the respective containers. Depending on the container you choose, but for this purpose I am using this. I will still do other videos in the future where I'll be using different fancy containers, bigger containers. Please, at this point, you should help me to subscribe. Now, subscribe. Press that button, subscribe. Turn up the notification bell. Like and subscribe. Please share to people that are of like minds, people that need this type of video, people that tag your friends and share this video for me. This is the support you are only going to be giving to me in order for the YouTube algorithm to be able to recommend my video to other people. Help me to grow this my channel. Please, I'm begging you. I know you will do that for me. So we are now doing the labeling. Like I told you earlier on, this is a company that have been on ground for like 15 years. It is just due to this way YouTube has begun to be the norm of the day that I felt like, okay, let me expose my secret formula for people, to empower people. So please support me, support this channel so that we can go it together. Thank you and God bless you. So this is the labeling. We are still on the labeling. You can see how I'm doing it. You can also replicate the same thing in your own home, right from the comfort of your kitchen, as you can see. Even though I have my factory where I'm doing it, but I just want you to know that I started it from my kitchen, from my home. You can do it right from the comfort of your parlor, your bedroom. You understand? Yes. It's just trying to empower you, give you the strength, give you the motivation to strengthen your spirit to start producing something today. This product you are seeing here is already paid for. It's somebody's product. I'm not just doing it for doing content sake. Immediately I'm done with it, I send it to the owner. So here we are going to be packing it 12-12. With my sealing machine, I'll be able to seal the sides of the nylon. If you need more training, online or offline, you can always contact me in the comment section so that we can arrange one for you. Okay? We are always available. We are done with that. We are going to be doing interacting with our heating gun. This one will make it to be firm. All the 12 containers in that nylon will become firm and well handy to grip. Yeah, when you grab it, it becomes handy. Here we go, ready to be dispatched to the rightful owner. I pray and encourage you to do the same. Yeah, that is just the process we pass through doing it. You can always do it from the comfort of your home, and it is very, very efficient. Thank you and God bless you.